The Citroën TPV Prototype, unveiled in 1939, was a revolutionary vehicle that would go on to become an iconic symbol of French culture. The brainchild of Pierre-Jules Boulle, the TPV was designed to be a people's car, affordable, practical, and accessible to the masses. The prototype, codenamed TPV Toute Petite Voiture, was a minimalist, utilitarian vehicle with a tiny 375cc engine, a lightweight body, and a simple, rugged design. Its innovative features included a front-wheel drive system, an independent suspension, and an innovative tubular frame. Despite its humble beginnings, the TPV would go on to become a cult classic, beloved by generations of enthusiasts for its quirky charm, durability, and versatility. The production model, launched in 19, would undergo significant changes, including a larger engine, improved performance, and a more refined design. The TPV's impact on the automotive world was significant, influencing the development of small, fuel-efficient cars in the post-war era. Its innovative design and engineering solutions paved the way for future Citroën models, including the iconic Citroën D. The TPV's cultural significance extends beyond the automotive world, representing a symbol of French ingenuity, simplicity, and joie de vivre. Its enduring popularity has inspired numerous books, films, and documentaries, cementing its place in the annals of automotive history. Today, the Citroën TPV remains a cherished collector's item, with many enthusiasts restoring and preserving these iconic vehicles. The TPV's legacy is a testament to the vision of Pierre Ballinger and the innovative spirit of Citroën, a company that has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. The 1939 Citroën TPV Prototype is a fascinating piece of automotive history, showcasing the innovative spirit of Citroën and its commitment to creating practical, affordable vehicles for the masses. Its influence can still be seen in modern cars, and its cultural significance continues to inspire new generations of enthusiasts. The TPV's story is a reminder that even the most humble beginnings can lead to something truly remarkable. From its modest origins as a tiny, utilitarian vehicle to its current status as a cult classic, the Citroën TPV is a testament to the power of innovative design and engineering.